Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Trading the pound dollar, here's the question. Is a 19 out of 20 win rate possible without any technical analysis trading the pound dollar here? Let's take a look. And what I'll do with the video is turn it into a tutorial, because this is the easiest and most profitable trading system, trading strategy that I've ever come across. and it's one that I've put together over the years. I've developed it, and we've had these indicators built around this strategy. Okay, there's one losing trade. This is it, this one here. We have a 19 out of 20 win rate following this strategy. 19 out of 20, here they are. Treat this as a tutorial. It's simple and it could be an absolute game changer for you. I'm going to be trading this moving forward. So first up, I want these alerts on the 5-minute chart. So I'm going to set this up. Now my alerts over here are going to be really specific. I'll be going through these currency pairs, whatever I want to trade here, and I'm going to be looking at the 1 minute, 3 minute and 5 minute time frame. Whichever comes up with the highest win rate, I'll set up the alerts. So we're going to go into the alerts. It's the pound dollar. First thing I'm going to do is set this up now because I want this. It's the cloud break number 2, once per bar, and I mean every time this fires I'm taking the trade regardless. Create. Alright, here's the strategy, and it's pretty specific. Right, what we have here is this cloud. Let me just bump that up so we can see it clearly. Done. There's no technical analysis, no higher time frame reference, nothing. It's just 5-minute chart, one chart. This thing fires and we take the trade. And what we're looking for is, after the alert goes off, we come in, just grab the rectangle thing here, look left and just mark up the range high here before the alert occurred. Just grab these, and your entry is going to be when the market comes back and retests. So what you can do is, I mean, once the alert fires, I'll be going into my MT5 account and I'm just going to set up pending orders. That's it. Okay, I'm going to set up my stop loss, which is going to go here, and I'll explain that, and just set and forget, pretty much. I mean, I'll keep an eye on it, but you don't have to do much. Once it breaks, we just look left and then we set up. I'll just grab the brush tool here. Where the breakout signal is this here, right? It's giving us this. I'm going to look left and then I'm going to set up pending orders from the previous range high, and I'll layer them in like this. Just do that. Whatever my position size, I'm going to layer them in. If this takes off and it doesn't trigger my entry, my buy order, that's fine. There's going to be so many opportunities. Look at them all. As they fire, we come in, we set up, and that's it. As I'm setting this up, I'm going to be on MT5. I'm going to open 3 trades. 1, 2, 3. All right, we'll delete that one. Okay, layer them back down. I'll work out my stop loss and target on TradingView. Now, if you have a Pepperstone account, you can trade directly here with the indicators on TradingView. Because, here we go, Pepperstone and these other guys, Oanda, FXCM. If one of these companies is your broker, then you can trade directly using the indicators on TradingView. So what I'll be doing is setting up MT5, because I use a different broker, and I'm going to mark this up now on TradingView. So I'm going to grab the trend-based fib extension. I'm going to average the entry wherever that is. I'm going to pull it up in the direction of the trend and then pull it back down to entry and get my levels sorted out. Wiggle this up and down. My stop loss is going to go just beyond the cloud, the outer level of the cloud, a little bit beyond. That's my stop loss. On MT5, it's really simple. You can drag your levels around. 2 of them, I'm going to have 3 open positions. 2 of them are going to be set here at 0.5. This is 50% of the stop loss range. Stop loss range, and we have from here, okay, there's your risk reward measurements. 1 to 1, 2 to 1, etc. I'm going to take at half, 50% of the stop. Okay, 2/3 comes off here. That's the first thing that happens. And I mean, it's only a 5-minute chart. And I mean, I'll be trading this at any time of the day. I'm sitting here most of the time. You can have it on your iPad, etc. Once this is reached, stop loss comes up to better than break even, wherever that is. And then I'll just leave it there. So then it's risk-free. Leave it alone, don't touch it. And there's a third of the position. There's going to be a number of these that give you, well, there's a 5 to 1 risk reward. So whatever it gives me, you know, I'll take whatever it gives me. All right, you can close your trade, up to you, however you manage it. Or you can pull your stop loss up and trail it once you've gained a bit of distance with it. This has given me a 19 out of 20 on the pound dollar on this 5-minute chart. And for the amount of pips, look at that, the amount of pips gained, the one losing trade gave me very little grief. Price range, entry, 30 pips or whatever that is there. It's peanuts. So the idea is you go for the risk reward. You want the risk reward, and you leave that third of your position in to run. Close your position early. Take 2/3. You're in the money risk free. Every single one of these. That's how you're going to set it up. Some of them are a bit short-lived. It doesn't matter. It's still money in the bank. You know, you just keep taking money out of the markets relentlessly. Guys, I've just handed you the secret to tapping into an unlimited supply of money that's floating around out there. Tap into it, siphon it into your account, and live a happy life. That's what I say. Now, none of this is financial advice, and of course, I always recommend you trade a demo account, and you read the disclaimer at the beginning of the video. Couple of things. Go to my website. I've actually introduced a lifetime membership here thing now. So you can jump on board for, I'm happy to share my success with you for minimal return. You give me a little bit back, I'm happy. I mean, I don't want to give this away for nothing. I'm happy with that. If you want the lifetime membership, that's available. Once only, that's it. Try it for 1 month, there's your option. Discord, join me on this journey, guys. Here is our Discord group. We're building a wonderful community in here. We've got all our members. We chat, we carry on over here in this chat room. This is VIP. And take your trading to the next level. We've got advanced trading tutorials. And I think, you know, you'd be amazed at what we've got going on in here. It's pretty cool. I post my trades. VIP get most of my trades. And this is the free section under here. There's stuff going in here every day. It's just a great space. Okay, guys, look forward to seeing you in Discord. Join me on this journey. Give it a shot. Join VIP, try it out, and see what's possible. So with that, guys, safe trading. I'll see you in the next video.